all day. Never expected myself as a director, but let's see what happens. Okay, so this is the door out onto the terrace that we're looking at putting the fencing on, and I'll walk you through kind of what we're trying to do and what we're looking at. The message you originally got has got some details of a couple of suppliers in terms of the cat fencing side of this, but I'll talk you through that in a minute. Okay, so let's go outside of the door. Right, so just to get the spacing left, this is at the rear of the house. As you can see, it goes up there. So this is on the first floor, second ground floor, first floor. So kind of, and again to give you some view, just a quick pan around the terrace. Okay. Right, so what we'd like is hazel, and I suspect they've got to be supported, but we'll talk about that in a second. So this wall on this side is 3 foot 4 inches, and we'd like to take it up to 7 foot. So I'm presuming that we'd actually have to connect it onto the wall and actually take it up. As you can see, there's quite a lot of creepers around here, so it'll get covered fairly quickly, but looking at something that kind of looks more natural than not. So on that side, kind of take it up to 7 foot, and then there is the cat rollers that we'd want to attach to the top of it. So we'd always thought that that kind of is probably a frame and it's connected on the frame. The cat place is on my original email, but it's cat secure, KATZSEURE, maybe the extra S in there, I don't know, I'll have to check. Right, so that's kind of that side, and then this side, just for kind of situational awareness, is actually over our courtyard garden. So you can see that at the back, which is all fenced in or walled in, so nothing to do there. But then there is this side as well. So this side, as you can see here, the wall is kind of I think just under or just around 2 foot, so we'd have to actually have a larger piece here, and then again there's a wall back and coming out. So we want to do the same thing, and really this is about not actually allowing the cats to get out, so it's a bit of privacy but also a bit of not getting the cats to jump onto next door's balcony, etc. So it's kind of that side, so pretty similar thing, but what we'd like is obviously they're 7 foot again, and therefore at that point it's going to be a larger panel at this point, and it's going to be an interesting one, because I suspect that means we're going to need to actually connect it to possibly the neighbour's wall, so we'd need to get permission for that. I don't think it would be a problem, although I suppose you could take it all the way out of that. That appears to be fairly solid from there, so we'll see. And that's pretty much it. So 7 foot for the width to take it all the way out to this rail, so kind of take it up to there, and then on this side again 7 foot shorter hurdle obviously, but then to take it out there, and it's again, this is as much about cat proofing as privacy, so that's kind of why the 7 foot. Anyway, hopefully that has helped. Speak shortly.